Canada has emerged as one of the world's leading centers for agricultural innovation, scientific research, and sustainable food production. The country offers an ideal environment for international collaboration because of its strong educational institutions, advanced technologies, stable economy, and globally respected business environment. Delegates attending the conference will have the opportunity to experience firsthand why Canada is regarded as a global leader in agricultural achievement and advancement. Canada offers world-class universities and research institutions, leadership in precision agriculture, artificial intelligence and smart farming, strong innovation ecosystem, investment in trade opportunities, and last but not the least, gateway to North America. Now, in more micro level, why Toronto? Toronto is one of the most diverse and innovative cities in the world. As Canada's economic and technological center, Toronto offers unique opportunities for conference participants to engage with leading universities, research institutions, technology companies, venture capital firms, agricultural innovators, government agencies, global businesses.